Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Kia Forte gear knob. First, always ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the parking brake fully engaged. Next, move your gear selector into the neutral position. This provides better access and prevents accidental engagement. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to begin the process. Now, let's detach the shift boot. Carefully locate the base of the shift boot where it connects to the center console. Using your plastic pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver, gently lift and pry along the edges of the boot cover. You should feel several clips release as you work your way around, allowing the boot to come free from its housing. With the boot detached, it's time to remove the gear knob itself. For many automatic Kia Forte models, the knob is held by friction. You will need to pull it straight upwards with firm, steady force. Some manual models might require unscrewing the knob or pulling it up while simultaneously pressing a reverse lockout button. Be prepared to use significant effort, as it can be quite snug. Once the old knob is off, inspect the gear shaft and your new knob for proper alignment. To reinstall, simply align the new gear knob with the shaft and push it down firmly until it seats completely. Finally, reattach the shift boot by pressing its edges back into the console until all clips snap securely into place. Double-check for a snug fit before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.